Today I'm going to show you how to fix your garbage disposal. A lot of people think these units are done for when they stop working. But honestly, most of the time, about 90% of cases, the fix is super simple and you won't need to replace anything. Let's go step by step and get yours working again. Step 1. Check the power. If you flip the switch and the disposal doesn't make any noise at all, the first thing to check is power. Your garbage disposal should be plugged into an outlet under the sink. Unplug it and test the outlet with something else, like a hair dryer or phone charger. If the outlet has no power, check your home's breaker panel. Find a breaker labeled dishwasher/disposal. If it looks halfway tripped, flip it fully OFF and then back on. That usually restores power. Step 2. Reset button. If power is good but your unit is still dead silent, look underneath the disposal. There's a small red button. That's the reset switch. Press it firmly, plug the unit back in, and try again. Many times, this is all you need. Step 3. Jam blades. Now, if the disposal hums or makes a weird noise but doesn't spin, it's probably jammed. Common culprits include glass chips, bottle caps, aquarium rocks, even bits of soda can lids. To fix this, unplug the disposal first. Then, use the hole at the bottom of the unit. Insert an Allen wrench or the special wrench that comes with some disposals. Give it a few turns back and forth to free the jam. If you can see the object on the top, carefully remove it with pliers. Step 4. Removing the disposal. If it's still stuck, you might need to take the disposal off. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks. Disconnect the dishwasher hose clamp if needed. Loosen the drain connection, usually hand-tightened plastic fittings. At the top, where the disposal connects to the sink, use a screwdriver to rotate the locking ring. Support the bottom as it drops. Once off, you can inspect inside for anything jamming the disc. The impellers and plate should spin freely when nothing's stuck. Final step, when to replace. If you've tried all of this and it's still dead, the motor itself may be burned out. Unfortunately, that can't be repaired. You'll need a replacement disposal unit. And that's it. Most of the time, your garbage disposal just needs a quick reset breaker check or a jam cleared out. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more DIY plumbing fixes, and let me know in the comments what kind of repair you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.